Stress cycle. Brief about stress cycle. Stress cycle illustrate about the process of stress and coping mechanism. Stress follows a cycle of events which cycle around and around, each step increasing the severity of the next step. To break the stress patterns, you can interrupt the cycle at any point. Some people find one link easier to stop than another. The most complete stress management program will not really on just one technique, but holistic approach which encompasses it all. Detail about stress cycle. Stress cycle illustrates about the process of stress and coping mechanism. The types: first, positive stress cycle; second, negative stress cycle. Look at this picture. Positive stress cycle started with relaxation, self-talk. Second, beneficial thoughts. 3, improved mood. 4, decreased stress symptoms. 5, positive behavioral response. First step in the cycle, stress. The stress can be simple or life changing. Second, relaxation, self-talk. Study of sound, mind, and look at the stress as a normal parts of life, something that can be overcome. 3, choose beneficial thoughts. Remind yourself that I have been through similar and worse before, and I will get through this somehow. 4, having a positive outlook. You will be able to stay in an improved mood. 5, being a more relaxed. Person will decrease stress symptoms. The pain and headache are likely to decrease. 6, the positive attitude will lead to positive behavior. You will have more energy and patience to interact with others. Look at this picture. Negative stress cycle. Stress, automatic thoughts, negative moods and emotions, negative physical symptoms and behavior, and experience negative stress. A detail about negative stress cycle. First, stress can be simple or life changing. Second, reaction through automatic thoughts, the attitude, beliefs, and assumptions that come from a stressed mind. 3, stress from a negative perspective, in a state of negative mood and emotion. 4, because our mood affects self-criticism and negativity. 5, because negative moods affects our bodies. A person on this negative spirit is likely to experience physical stress symptoms like muscle tension, headache, and low immunofunction. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.